guys, if you want to use the ChatGPT without giving your phone number, so this video is for you. So before moving to the video, support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. After that, you have to just open your Chrome browser and search here for the temporary phone numbers and then press the enter. After doing so, a lot of the websites will be open for you. I just opened the first website here. You can choose any one, and here you will find a lot of the countries with their phone number. You can use these temporary phone numbers to log into your ChatGPT or any other account. Like I am selecting this one and then close this ad. After doing so, just copy this number from here, and after copying this number, open the new tab and search there for the ChatGPT.openai, and then search for it and then click on the sign up or login, and then complete these two steps by putting your Gmail address and password and then continue. And after this, you have to just paste here the copied number and then click on the send code, and again open the temporary phone numbers website and then refresh this page. This time you will get the verification code here. Just copy it from here and then put in the ChatGPT, and you will be successfully logged into your account. So that's all. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.